My name, I am the father of the first child. And my father name, my name is Brodolal Tripura. I'm actually from Hakutosha, that is known as Dumasora, situated in Lamprevili subdivision in Dalai district.
Is there any link called successor in news?
Yes, this is the sorry, I forgot to give him thanks.
Okay.
1000%, 1000 huge of thanks to him also, because by the help of him only you media people came to me, and he also sent me some amount of money, which I responsibly treating here and living here, because here we have to live only depend upon the money, because we don't know any. We have to stay, especially for the patient party, parents. For the parents, in the here is good establishment is the here. From my side, there is no limit to credit. Everyone is better for me, such as in my people, Tiprasa. They also help me because I am a person unemployment, and I'm facing unemployment problem, and by the money help, financial help, they collecting my villages and everywhere they are possible, and they send me money. And after coming here also, all the staffs, the OT staffs and the pediatric department, and especially I would like to give thanks to our surgeon sir, Honorable Bossak, and our his assistant, our Miss Swati ma'am, and another one, the pediatric doctor Sogat Ghosh, and all the staff, all the sister staffs were looking my baby and treating my baby. And another people also, the localities from of here, Hapania, they are also cooperating me. They give me confidence that don't worry. I just we don't know what is the problem. Just showing on the baby, we are just crying and what to do, what to not do. We are just thinking and sharing to people, and people give me hope. I am father of maybe patient which is admitted in TMC hospital. By the reference of Dalai district hospital, they refer us here. Actually, the baby is delivered on 10th of January 2024, and they tried that after just 12 hours, the baby is vomiting green bile regularly, just after keeping 10 minutes or 5 minutes like this. There are also one pediatric specialist is there. I forgot his name, but in Dr. Debarma, that is, and he tried there for up to 5 days. On 15, they refer us here in TMC. Then there are also told about our doctor, the surgeon, Aniruddha sir, and we came here. Luckily we meet with our surgeon sir, and on 18 he operated my baby, and now still today, and the baby is showing the normal activity, but certainly after 2 to 3 days they will leave from here. Angkai Brodol Tripura, ani carai asaika, tabu second child ani obo calabusa baby shan, bo asai mani Dalai district hospital, kulayo asaika, inke orni chini pediatrics har, actually inke bo gyno department to asaika no, inke orni ang acai mani pore no nukha bono je kabao inke bar no chung report khaika sarno ke sarna ge di obo chini saraile kharang kayoi obo green bile hino obo medical term bai inke obo haike kabao hino inke sardok to asuk serious na ekdom ha somoyo inke pray 1 days obo haidin tongkha inke ang bar samne pore ke borok SNCU department dio to boy admission khaika inke bor nukha a ko sarai to serious no hinai inke unokai orni sar je kaisa specialist tongo child rong ni Deborma sir inkai bo saka bo try khaimani porio 10 tarik to asai kha 15 tarik hinke jungna refer hol ka 5 days ni try khaimani porio oro kaisa surgeon tongo hapani hinke to asuk nor ni khorsa bo thangala nor or thandi o sar ono doro bo sakinoi bo ekdom specialist bo kabama experience bo tongor bini hinke bin or thangdi nei bo khob rokha hinke bo no bini personal gari tam sanai rang bai bini personal rang bai gari reserve khai rokhka hospital ambulance no mano haipono ani Chairaino boma to belai no nok to saimang khana delivery ongdrok inkai am kisa gari ro kaimaya aban boy private gari bai rokhor ka bo hai ki reserve khai inkai or sokai mani porio or ni je emergency staff rok bo ano help khai kya ang je reference paper phono kaino borok log log na admission khai kya inkai joto processing bong no khai kya ang kuno saiman dia ang to emne bo kisa retention ko mani ke ba ani chai so ba hai ke obis kam ani kaisa Chairaino bo 6 year obon kai obo kal chaita inkai obon tabu second inkai obossan inkai oro phayoi inkai phaiman no obo nurses sister dog borok dakha SNCU department to inkai oro phaike no luckily ang sarbe malai thangka inkai sarne andaro na admission no thangka inkai o jani tabu korea asok sar bosak gombo no tongo at the time of we are came to SNU whenever we enter we luckily got our sir inkai obon pore inkai sar ni thu no sar no saka obo to bor saimaya to tam kha bo tam bai ka ba kha inkai bor sago sonography khaina nai hinoi sonography khai kya inkai obo bor saka je oro blockage tongo intestine no hinoi small intestine inkai obo no bor medical tam bai saka je obo duodenal atresia pong hinoi o diagnostic inkai obo inkai to operation khaina nai hinoi inkai ani to ekdom pura jing to ma boma bai bofa ma ka la shuka asep sarai chi kon o chung phaipro to obo se tam 5 days inkai operation khaimani dino inkai 8 days on khani Chairaino age inkai 8 days ni Chairaino ba ke operation khaina nogo call khakya jo to digeno call khaya ani ji relatives to mani ba ani best friend of je kisa Chaitokmung to mani inkai ani magburi chok masano sawo nogo phaidi ase Chairaino lai khair bla khinai bin je bujja mani kite jo to ani friend ba relatives bor khachago as a father oboni responsibility din nang tam khainai chung idea rimaya hamya kai bo nor gana du chung du sinai ham kai bo nor chung thank you sanai obosun saimai ni inkai ang to te bo pressure oi thangka inkai oro ni jani sinijak tongo doctor ro inkai chini boro ro ani junior tongo oro tam MD utpol tripura tongo oro inkai bono bang kol khaisinka bo bang gam reference no khakya bor jotom sago oboni ni Chairaino life saving operation che nung obono risk na di hinai oke oro ang google so search kha nai kha oba hai duodenal atresia ni mane saving life rate busuk tong bini chances ro ke oro mutamudi 95% maybe san no ke oto ro no khanke ani loge tai kaisa tongo assistant professor bini sarai bo oro admitted ongja inke bo inke common tripura ani hakuto shani no ani gustino kalayo inke bo bana khub ka hamkai no confident no likha bo saka nani munai bini charai to over life saving hincho doctor sabo inke ba nung risk no nasidi operation khayenga to nin charai thanai khaipuno thang inke ba nung risk na di 95% bo chances to hoine corona asolai chalai ka inke
good morning. Actually, I am Dr. Operatoin, pediatric surgeon in TMC. So I am going to share one very unique case of jejunal atresia in a 5 days old baby. So this baby was born in Dalai District Hospital on 10th of January by normal vaginal delivery. But after that, the baby was having continuous bilious vomiting. The baby could not take breast milk. The baby could not was not taking anything. The baby was continuously vomiting, and that was green in color. So for that reason, from Dalai district, they have referred the baby to Tripura Medical College, Hapania. So on 15th, the baby was admitted in TMC, and on 18th, after 3 days of investigation, the baby was diagnosed as a case of jejunal atresia, which is a very rare case. So jejunal atresia itself is a challenge for a pediatric surgeon because it is very rare. One of the reasons is it is very rare, and the chances of success rate in correcting a jejunal atresia is very, very challenging. So on 18th of January, the baby was operated, and I did jejunoplasty with jejunal anastomosis. It was type 3 jejunal atresia, proximal jejunal atresia type 3. So I did jejunoplasty plus jejunal anastomosis. Now the baby's age is around 1 month. Now the baby is stable, taking everything orally, taking mother's breast milk, and now we are going to discharge the baby within 1 or 2 days. So my main aim of such a sharing such a case is that these cases are very rare and they are hardly diagnosed. So anywhere, any patient, any small baby with repeated vomiting, they should be referred to TMC without any delay, so that I can diagnose the baby and we can go in immediately. Because if you delay such case, the results are very bad. So my request to all is that any pediatric babies or any pediatric patient, neonatal cases, anything which you feel that it is not normal, please refer to TMC, Tripura Medical College. I am always there. I am the pediatric surgeon, so I can do my best and I can render my service to such poor people who are in really in confused state, where to go, how to get the treatment. Okay, so that is a good success story. It is not only my success; it is the success of the team of the hospital, as well as OT technician, OT staff, OT sister, even the SNCU team. Okay, so it is a teamwork. Every OT is a teamwork. So I am very happy that we have done a very nice job and we have saved a small little heart baby boy of Omar Kali Tripura. Congenital anomaly, it is by birth only. So in very easy language, actually the baby was suffering from such an anomaly in which the intestine was not formed by birth. A part of the intestine was missing. So in medical terms we call it as jejunal atresia.
Sir,
In time of surgery, the missing part, what we did is we resected the missing part and we have connected the upper and the lower part. And the upper part also I have modified the upper part. Okay, so in medical term we call it as jejunoplasty and jejunal anastomosis. For this very jejunal atresia, there will be no problem. But yeah, in future there may be many challenges like cough and cold, fever, diarrhea that can happen in any baby. But for this baby, for this operation, I think there will be hardly any complication.